That polling station are final.
Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC ni thiite na mbere kunyitithia thinga mihango ya kuhararia githurano kinene kia mwaka uyu. Riri ritigarite ihinda rinyihiire mieri 3 githurano giki gitabanio.
All the 290 constituencies.
Muthi kamiti ino ni tabanirie gikaro na ahuraniri othe giturwa kia mutongoria wa bururi githurano-ini giukite niguo kwamukira thairi cia aria mamanyitite mbaru kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi, kuria othe matanyitwo gukorwo mari na makiria ma thairi 2,000 kuma kaunti 24 guthii na iguru niguo kuhitukio kurugama giturwa giki.
We also expect them to give us the signatures accompanied with IDs. So we shall be doing two things: checking the ID against the signature to ensure that it's the same person who has signed, and also checking the record against our register to ensure that these individuals are voters.
Undu uyu na kuri uguo ni utungirio uregani munene na kihiri kia ahuraniri kiumbia giturwa giki aria megwikinyitie mucemanio uyu. Othe makihinyiriria ati ihinda riria mahetwo ni inini muno gukorwo monganitie thairi ici. Ona gutuika amwe a ahuraniri na marikitie kuhingia riendekithia riri ta mutongoria wa UDA William Ruto, Raila Odinga wa kiama kia ODM, Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper na Mwangi wa Iria wa Usawa hamwe na angĩ.
And we have delivered that both as hard copies, and we have also delivered them as in soft copies. We have also delivered the photocopy of the IDs of each of the signatories that supported that we had the signatures from.
I believe the engagement has been fruitful. Exchange of ideas, a reminder by IEBC, from IEBC on the requirements under the Constitution and under the law, and also maybe the administrative requirements, because the tendency of IEBC is to throw in their administrative conveniences into the process.
Sawa kwa wote ni hotete kuoya signature icio na ibandi kuringana na watho uria wekirirwo thutha wa 2017 elections. Watho ucio ndwari hau kabere hĩndĩ ya 2017 ni hindi urarutithio wira ria mbere na ni urora ni kawira karitu na karoya mathaa maingi na human resource na cost.
Those of you have come with supporter signatures, however few they are, submit to the team, but we shall give you up to 25th of May to submit the rest of the signatures, so that you give us time to process until by the time you come for candidate registration, we shall be ready for you.
Mucemanio urehire hamwe makiria ma ahuraniri 45 agiturwa giki thutha wa 11 wao guikio nja kiumia kihituku, thutha wa gucererwo gutuma maritwa manini ao ihinda-ini riria riagiriire guku aingi ao mendire IEBC merire ni kahota gutabania githurano kia uma na waragania.
It is now for you to find out from IEBC whether they are in full control of that process. It's our take that they must truly be seized of the opportunity and be in full control of this process.
Thutha wa kungania thairi cia IEBC kuingira ikinya riu ringi ria kuithurima kana ni ikinyaniire ikiro iria ciendekithitio kiwatho, mbere ya kuhingurira aria megukorwo makinyaniire ikiro icio gucokia maratathi mao ma wamurani kwambiriria tariki 29 mweri uyu nginyagia tariki 3 mweri ukite.
In the wrong forum.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.